Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, mingle. Spelling, M-I-N-G-L-E. Meaning, to mix or combine with others, to socialize or interact with people. Synonyms, mix, blend, socialize. Antonyms, separate, isolate, withdraw. Usage. She likes to mingle with her colleagues at company parties. Word, bellow. Spelling, B-E-L-L-O-W. Meaning, to make a loud, deep cry, typically like that of a bull, to shout loudly. Synonyms, roar, shout, bawl. Antonyms, whisper, murmur, speak softly. Usage. The bull began to bellow loudly when it saw the farmer approaching. Word, snub. Spelling, S-N-U-B. Meaning, to deliberately ignore or show indifference to someone, to refuse to recognize or acknowledge someone. Synonyms, ignore, dismiss, spurn. Antonyms, acknowledge, recognize, welcome. Usage. She felt hurt when he snubbed her at the party. Word, applicable. Spelling, A-P-P-L-I-C-A-B-L-E. Meaning, suitable or relevant for a particular purpose or situation. Synonyms, relevant, pertinent, suitable. Antonyms, irrelevant, inapplicable, unsuitable. Usage. The new policy is applicable to all employees starting next month. Word, loot. Spelling, L-O-O-T. Meaning, goods or money stolen, especially during a war or riot, to steal goods or money, especially during a war or riot. Synonyms, plunder, pillaged goods, spoils. Antonyms, return, restore, give back. Usage. The soldiers were accused of loot during the conflict. The rioters began to loot the stores in the city. Word, gliding. Spelling, G-L-I-D-I-N-G. Meaning, moving smoothly and continuously, often without effort or noise. Synonyms, sliding, slipping, sailing. Antonyms, stopping, halting, stalling. Usage. The skater was gliding effortlessly across the ice rink. Word. Spelling, C-H-A-R-I-O-T. Meaning, a light, open, two-wheeled vehicle, typically drawn by horses, used in ancient times for racing and warfare. Synonyms, cart, wagon, carriage. Antonyms, pedestrian, walker, foot traveler. Usage. The ancient Greeks used chariots in their Olympic Games. Word, elapse. Spelling, E-L-A-P-S-E. Meaning, to pass or go by, to lapse or expire. Synonyms, pass, go by, expire. Antonyms, begin, start, commence. Usage. Several hours had elapsed before she realized the time. Word, nomad. Spelling, N-O-M-A-D. Meaning, a member of a people who have no fixed home and move from place to place, especially in search of food or pasture. Synonyms, wanderer, roamer, vagabond. Antonyms, settler, resident, homeowner. Usage. The nomad tribe has been traveling through the desert for generations. Word, receipt. Spelling, R-E-C-E-I-P-T. Meaning, a written acknowledgement of having received something, especially money or goods. Synonyms, acknowledgement, confirmation, voucher. Antonyms, payment, delivery, dispatch. Usage. Please provide a receipt for the goods you received. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.